So in today's video, I will show you how you can attract high ticket paying clients for your fitness coaching business that pay you 3+K for your coaching program, yeah, without sending cold DMs or doing organic content daily, you know, which is probably super frustrating. I've been there, done that, yeah. So myself, my name is Oskar Charlan, and for the last 3 years I've been running my own fitness coaching business, and recently just also transitioned to coaching coaches. And yeah, because I just want to showcase what has helped me in my journey, you know, that generated me like 10+K months, because like for first 1.5 year it was kind of struggle, you know, sending cold DMs or posting organic content daily, and it was really hard time to get clients, and everything changed actually when I started to run just Instagram ads, you know, and they are like so super simple. And at the start I thought like ads is like super complicated, you know, you need to go in Facebook Ads Manager, there's so many buttons, you know, and it's super overwhelming. So I also want to show you that in this video how simple it is actually. So let's dive in today's video. So how to get high ticket clients with Instagram ads. So first thing as well, why should you run Instagram ads? You know, Instagram ads are one of the most effective ways to attract your dream customers and convert them into high paying clients. Because yeah, with organic content, you know, you can have big reach, you can get like 100K or 1 million views, you know, but most of those views will be like brokies, you know, and like pretty general population. But with ads, you can really target specific, yeah, especially if you have a good niche. For example, for me, I was working more with tech guys, so I could really target them with my ads, you know, where with content it's kind of more general population. So yeah, one of the things that you can do is more like targeted audience. You can precisely target your ideal clients instead of relying on organic content. Also, like, you will gain so much new followers, you know, you're actually building your audience, because I think I started with like just 2,000 or 3,000 followers, and now I have well over 10,000 followers, you know, which are almost all of my like clients, you know, super warm leads. So every follower you get through your like, let's say Instagram ads, like they can be your client, you know. So not only you get like clients, but you're also kind of building your audience. So if you have small following right now with Instagram ads, you can like boost your following, you know, and be more legit in a business, you know. But because sometimes, let's say if you are with low following, people kind of don't trust you. But if you have a bit bigger following, like people will eventually trust you more. Yeah, attract high ticket clients, and you don't actually need to start it, you know, you don't need like a huge following. Like you can literally start it with a new brand Instagram account, and I have seen it like many other, like, let's say coaches in different industries have done great results by starting a new page. I can maybe show you here what helped me with my Instagram ads. So this was my like first year when I was like just starting my business, you know, building websites, landing pages. I had, like, you can see how many followers. At the start I had just 900 followers, but yeah, got some paying clients. Later got more, invested into mentors that gave me the roadmap to success. Then I started to get more clients, you know. Here I got like first high ticket clients that pay me like 2K. Later here 5K, 8Ks days. Here I already was starting running ads. It was like 4,000 followers. Now I have well over 10,000 followers. Moved to Bali, where I am right now. Yeah, got some good clients, you know, my dream clients, you know, who paid me the most, who I enjoy working with. You can see daily almost 2,000 just one day Stripe from a client. Here another, just living the dream, I guess. So yeah, that is the power of Instagram ads. Yeah, and I'm not saying that you should never, how to say, do organic content. Organic content, I think, is great. If you can double down on it and have a good reach, get followers, that's great. You know, but with ads, you can really target specific customers. You know, your dream customers. And maybe like, why haven't you started running ads yet? And this was my case because I really thought that I need to make 10 plus K months to start running ads. Or I thought it's like super complicated because when you go in Facebook Ads Manager, there's so many buttons, you know, and it can be pretty super overwhelming. And probably you think the same. But it's really, really simple, and I'm gonna show you how simple it is. So I would say before you start running ads, yeah, I would definitely first look at your profile, yeah, make sure that your profile is really clean, you know, you have some testimonials, you kind of speak to direct audience, you know, because if you target everyone and anyone, and if you in your bio it's like, I help men and women lose weight, you know, probably it's going to be hard way to get customers, you know, because fitness market nowadays is so super saturated, you know, so you need to a bit to stand out. So yeah, before running ads, I would say your profile must be optimized. If not, your ads will fail. And here's what you need to do. So make sure that, yeah, you are verified, you know, you have like kind of professional look, you have clear and direct bio, you kind of have content targeting your avatar, and yeah, you have some testimonials and social proof. Like if you look at my profile, you can literally see I help busy professionals lose fat while working 40 plus hours, so people kind of understand what's happening. I recently also helped another coach. Nelly did the same, so she had different bio before, but I helped her target more specific, so now she helping busy women lose fat, build stronger around their booty. So she kind of more focuses on building that booty, you know. So keyword booty, apply one-to-one coaching, so it's pretty clean, right? Also, we posted like her like testimonial, making sure her story, and showing more like kind of workout videos about booty that really gonna attract that dream customer. So make sure before you run ads or thinking about running ads, you have these points checked out. And after that, like, yeah, then it's all about scripting your ads. A winning ad script follows a proven structure. So I would say the most important part is the hook. Yeah, first 3-5 seconds of the video, like, you need to be really, really specific, you know, because if it's gonna be like pretty general or broad, like, you're not gonna get the right customers. Then you can call out specific audience over desire, more specific call out. I'm gonna show you an example, CTA, social proof with how you helped, you know, who have you helped, or with how many people you have worked, what kind of benefits they will get, and then another CTA. So let's look at an ad example. So I helped another coach do this, Zach. So I helped Zach script out his ad. He helps like kind of more women build a tone, a healthy, confident body, you know, without restricting themselves with their favorite foods. He's really crushing it with his content, so he's gonna do really, really well with his ads. So we scripted this ad, so you can see thumb-stopping hook. If you're a girl spending most of your day picking your body apart in front of the mirror, then this video is for you. More specific call out, you probably invested most your energy into your work, your friends, your partners, and you always come back to just feeling unconfident and out of control. More specific call out to a point where you are now, hide away from taking pictures and spend hours looking for things to wear that makes you feel confident. And I would also really, really recommend to use your, how to say, clients' words. Yeah, let's say you work with your clients, you go on a calls with them, or just in the messages, like listen what they say to you, you know, and then use those words into your ads. Or also like record all of your sales calls. So every prospect you go on a call, make sure you record the calls, and then you can use those words into your ads, and usually those ads just gonna be performing really well. So CTA, if you're ready to finally know what it means to live life in a body you're confident in, then drop me a follow, look through my videos, and check out the stories of some amazing clients. Yeah. Then some social proof of what clients he has helped, benefit, and another CTA, follow me. So you can literally follow this same script, use this kind of guidelines for your own offer. And if you need any help with this scripting ads, yeah, just send me a message on Instagram. Like you can see my Instagram profile in description. So just message me for review. I would definitely love to help you do that. So message me just on Instagram if you want to check out your ad. Here another ad. So if you are a tech guy and you want to shred fat while working long hours at your desk, then this video is for you. More specific audience, more specific call outs. So literally those clients have told me I have little to none energy, you know, I feel my metabolism is slow and I'm not comfortable in my clothes, or I don't look good in front of the mirror. So you can use these words into your ads. So if that sounds like you and you want to feel like you did in your prime, then give me a follow, social proof, and CTA. So that's about scripting, like pretty simple. But yeah, use it more for your audience. And then another thing is like filming your ads. The way you film your ad is just as important as the script. You know, I literally had the same ad filmed in different, like let's say environment. Like one I filmed like inside of home, and then I filmed the same script outside, and the video what I filmed outside performed 10 times better. You know, so I would also recommend to test it out differently. You know, also make sure that when you film that, you kind of are relatable to your audience. So for example, match your audience lifestyle. So let's say if you target entrepreneurs, film in a more like a luxury setting. If you target busy moms, maybe at home somewhere, you know, next to bed or something like that. So just make it more relatable to your audience. Also have more energy before you like start your ads, you know. Just be in this high energy, because most of the times when you start filming your video, you know, your energy drops. So it's better to have more higher energy, because in the video it's just going to be lower. So make sure that, and yeah, definitely use captions, subtitles, maybe some sound background that's matching to the video, and aim for 30 to 60 seconds maximum. Don't go over 1 minute, you know, because most of people like don't even watch the full ad. Most people, you know, like in a short term. So I would also suggest first CTA, follow me, like have it in the first, like let's say 20 to 25 seconds. What else? Then boosting your ads. This is so simple to do it. You know, you don't have to go in Facebook Ads Manager to check thousands of different buttons. You know, that's gonna probably make you overwhelmed. You can easily do that through your Instagram. Yeah, start with smaller budget and scale as you see results, and track performance and make adjustments as needed. So for example, if I go to my profile, so just boost the reel button. You know, you want to put visit your profile. Then you can create your own. I would leave this out. And then yeah, which location you want. I usually target USA, so United States. I target also men. Most of my clients are plus 28 to like, let's say 50 years old. Interests, you can test it out, you can leave broad or be more targeted if you have kind of niche. Yeah, so for me, niche is kind of tech guys, so I would use, let's say software. Save that. Software man USA. So yeah, and then I would start with the budget, let's say just like 20, 30 dollars or euros. I think this is good start. Yeah, and if you get like, let's say first clients, close it, increase the budget, but let the ad, let's say, test it out at least for 1 week before you decide if it's working or not. Yeah, so and then you just boost the reel. And then I usually was tracking my followers, so you can see every day I was like spending around like $100 and getting around like 40 to 50 new followers, sending 44 messages, so my appointment setting, and every day we were able almost to book a call, 1 or 2 calls. And yeah, how much? So I was like spending around $3,000 for the whole month, and I closed, how many clients I closed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new clients, high ticket clients, so that's pretty good indicator, right? So my cash collected was almost 4x, revenue was 5, and this is only just from Stripe. Yeah, I still had my PayPal account, so I would say like in this month, September, I got like 20K, so that's like 6x return, and that's the power of ads. So yeah, as I said, Instagram ads are the fastest and most reliable way to get high ticket clients. You don't need to be super complicated with ads going in Facebook Ads Manager, or you don't need to rely on organic content, sending hundreds of DMs. You can do it way easier. Just make sure you have like kind of good profile, you have testimonials, you kind of understand your niche, and if you have all those 3 things discovered, like you're gonna really crush it with your ads. Yeah, and again, if you need help with this setting up, just send me a message on Instagram. I would love to help you do that. If you have any other topics you would like that I cover, just leave a comment here below, and I will see you in the next video.